Hello everyone, welcome ulit sa Star PH TV. So another mail day and we got this package from an online shop. Decided na i-video na to kasi nakasulat dito guys. So nagiging common siya ngayon sa ibang items yung take a video. So no video, no return or refund. So parang sinasabi dito, you have to take a video nung pag-unwrap mo para ma-prove na kung merong damage or may problem yung dumating na items. So good thing naman to guys, and ayun, I just want to share na rin yung experience yung pag-unwrap. So let's check it out after this intro.
Ladies and gentlemen.
So yun guys, since kailangan nating i-video, samahan nyo na ako and let's unwrap kung ano yung laman nito. I actually bought this kasi napansin ko medyo kailangan na dahil ang dami nating items ngayon na kailangan ng batteries, especially yung mga AA and AAA batteries. So bumili ko ng rechargeable na batteries. Kinuha natin to sa sa Last Mall, which I think mas safe and mas may quality yung mga items na nasa Last Mall compared dun sa other items na or other shops na hindi natin sure. Kasi usually pag mga electronics medyo kailangan yung kinukuhanan natin medyo trusted para safe tayo, especially lalo yung mga ganito yung minsan iiwan mong matagal na nakasaksak because you're going to charge batteries, and charging batteries may take some time din, no? So yung brand niya, well, maganda naman yung rating, may almost 5 star, actually 4.9 stars siya. And yun din kasi yung iba na although branded, hindi ko sure talaga kung yun talaga yung brand na yun. Before may nabili akong rechargeable battery na Sony, pero ending up hindi maganda yung quality niya. So I think they just twist up yung yung name ng Sony. But this one, it's a different name. Yan, so yung brand niya is si Beston, and I got 8 pieces nung AAA and 8 pieces nung AA. Yan, so as you can see naman sa packaging niya, complete naman yung in-order ko, and I got this 4 slots ng nickel metal hydride battery smart charger. So let's open it. Wait, before I open it, let's check pala yung back. So compatible with AA and AAA NIMH battery. So you have to to make sure na NIMH din yung battery na binili ninyo. Like this one, 1.2 volts, 1300 mAh na NIMH rechargeable battery, kasi meron iba yung lithium ion, so hindi siya mag-work pag nag-charge kayo ng battery sa magkaibang charger. It also has LCD display screen to show yung percentage ng charging niya, and it requires a type C and micro USB charging. So yun lang. Not sure kung may kasama siyang cable. Ayan, so may kasama siyang cable, pero pa to, hindi pa siya yung type C, yung luma pa. But if you can see, meron siyang slot or port ng type C, and yun nga yung isang, I think it's type A. Tapos merong may plastic wrap. So I'll just get type C charger para magamit natin dito. So sabi sa video, there should be no cut. So let's just wait. there you go. So excuse me, so I have to borrow yung charger. So nag-charge yung son ko, and yeah, ito yung type C, and let's see kung mag-charge. So yan, so nag-on naman siya. As you can see, wala siyang switches or anything. So I guess you just have to put in yung batteries. Let's try tear off here. There you go. We'll try lahat ng mga batteries, no, para makita natin kung merong hindi magcha-charge. So let's try with the first pour. Ayan, so nagcha-charge. Second nagcha-charge. Oops, so yung third slot, kala ko hindi nag-charge. And yung last slot niya, yan, medyo nahuli lang. Dun sa actual, medyo kasi dun sa frame rate din ng ano, no, ng camera, but sa actual is naka-steady lang siya na color green, or actually nagbi-blink siya na color green pero slow lang. Ayun, so that indicates na nag-charge siya. So yung first set ng batteries, okay naman. Let's check out naman itong next set ng 888. So maganda dito guys, yung battery may lalagyan na kasama itong apat. So ayan, I think that's good muna for the first pour. And then medyo madali lang siyang tanggalin. Then we'll put in the next pour. Oops. Nag-roll yung isa. And there you go. Let's see kung mag-charge. Ayan. So bi-blink and it shows na yung apat nag-charge siya. So I think we're good for this pour. Tignan naman natin yung mga AA batteries. Based dun sa mga nabasa ko rin guys, 1.2 volts is can run din sa mga devices na maliliit that requires yung 1.5 volts na na batteries. Hindi lang siya okay, I think, pag dun sa mga may mga motor na like yung mga toys. But ang paggagamitan kasi natin dito mostly yung mga wall clocks, yung remote controls. So yun, based naman sa nabasa natin, supported naman siya or it will work naman. Ang ano lang doon, baka mas mabilis siyang ma-charge, ma-discharge dahil nga 1.2 volts lang compared sa mga batteries na binibili natin na 1.5. So yun, nakita natin guys dito yung isang battery may error. Yan, so let's try to remove. Yan, so nawala error. So I think this one has an error pag binalik natin. Yan, so baka mali lang yung pagkakalagay natin kanina, but it shows here na it's working. And these are 3,000 milliampere hours na battery na AA. The reason why I bought 8 is yun nga, yung charging natin is 4 lang. We got 2 wall clocks and na require ng ng AA. We also have yung wireless natin doorbell, requires rin AAA, or I'm not sure kung AAA or AA batteries. Then yung mga remote controls nga natin for TV, for aircon. Yan, so ito rin yung magagamit natin para hindi na tayo bili ng batteries. May limit lang din naman yung nito, yung charging cycle niya. Hindi ko pa lang nabasa yung ibang details, but I think medyo matagal naman or maraming cycles naman yun. So yun, I guess this also works. And some warnings: the charger is strictly prohibited from being used to charge batteries of other types such as 1.5 volts lithium-ion batteries and disposable batteries. So yun yung kailangan natin ingatan. And yun, may recommended temperature lang din siya. Avoid using or storing chargers under sunlight, baka mas masisira siya. And do not throw the chargers into fire. Do not disassemble. And yun nga, at times normal na mag-dissipate siya ng heat, but yun, pag sobrang init naman, better na huwag mo nang or tanggalin mo na sa saksakan. And please keep the charger out of reach of children. So this one is made in China and the brand is Beston. So ngayon, di po tayo sponsored guys, and if you are interested, just check na lang din doon. Nakita naman ko sa natin binila sa Lazada. So check it. And yun lang, medyo walang nakasulat dito kung gaano yung niya, yung kung ilan yung charging cycle niya, but as said, I think medyo matagal naman to. So yan guys, I think mukhang di naman natin kailangan siyang isole because it looks like all of them are working, and I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa pagsama sa akin sa pag-unwrap nitong video na to. And if you're interested nga, yun, mas okay din na meron kayo mga rechargeable batteries. So big shoutout sa ating mga members na sina BF Angel Mendoza in Seoul, si Kaysen si Baitesha, si BF Pampaslupang Burgis, si Mami Mads Helen, and big shoutout kay Daddy OHLJ and kay Mami Bel Sato. And also big shoutout sa ating mga kaibigan na mukbangers, ASM artists, content creators, vloggers, gamers, action figure collectors, and trading card collectors. So medyo ito wala sa but I think in a way you have to invest din sa mga rechargeable batteries in a way para makatipid din kayo. Yun, I hope nag-enjoy kayo. Maraming salamat again sa pag-join sa atin dito sa ating unwrapping video. So I guess hindi naman natin kailangan siya isole. Sa mga hindi pa po nakapag-subscribe, please to subscribe to our channel, Tower PH TV, and don't forget to hit that notification bell para ma-notify kayo pag meron tayong mga bagong videos. Again guys, this is Albert Remo from Tower PH TV. Kita-kita po ulit tayo.
Ladies and gentlemen. Let's go.